Singing Academy!
Okay, next question. How do I learn to sing those really fast trills?
Look, you've got two ways of doing them. One, emulating your favourites, your favourite singers, especially the classics like Stevie Wonder and Aretha Franklin. You can do that, and then just jump onto our YouTube channel and have a look at the runs. But doing quick runs with scales is really the way to do it, because it is vocal gymnastics, and we start off with a slower, it's a very simple trill. Art, and then we end up doing art, very quick runs coming down. So we've got numerous trills. They are the two ways to do it. Start slow though. If you're just starting off, maybe do some slow trills like Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. So you think you can tell. So just do some slow ones firstly. I think Ed Sheeran's a good one to start off with career. To start off on his first album, he was just dabbling. That his runs on this new album and X, very, very good triller and executor of runs now. But you can see that he was just something that he dabbled with in the very first album and got better. And that's the way you do it. Yeah, follow some of your favorite singers, and then try to break the run down slowly. A lot of kids see Mariah Carey and Whitney Houston and Ariana Grande doing these super fast, quick runs. So break it down slow. Even if you can slow the YouTube clip down, Emily.
Right there in settings, pick 0.75 speed. And listen to trill and repeat.
And then copy it slow and then do it faster.
Remember my student Peter with crazy R&B runs and trills, singing his own songs?
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So when he came for training, when we just started, his trills were very chaotic. They were not polished at all.
I can imagine that.
Yes.
Beautiful guy.
Beautiful pitching. He's so artistic. He's writing such beautiful songs. But the trills were very disorganized. Like he was not aiming for a specific note. It would just be woo. It would be just kind of shaking between the notes. And he's super impatient. Like a lot of people are super impatient. And I love working with people who provide you with challenges, kind of to settle them down and give them the road which they can follow. Turned out that he is a big fan of Toni Braxton and Luther Vandross. And they have very defined library of trills that they are using. Toni Braxton for female voices and Luther Vandross for male voices. We just worked every lesson. We have hour-long lesson, longest lessons that we do regularly every week. And we break down every single run. I listen to a run, I pick it up on the piano, we figure out with Peter how to sing it slower. Hey, 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 and speed it up gradually, little by little. And what we often found out, there were way fewer notes than you think there are, but they are executed very cleanly and very precisely. And what is very important if you're doing R&B, especially R&B or jazz, pentatonic scale. I think we will need to do a demo at one point of that, right? So pentatonic scale, if you have a piano in front of you right now or a piano app, just play all the black keys. This is a pentatonic scale. This is your basic run. This is your foundation. And when you start breaking down the songs, you will notice that the vast majority of people who do runs and trills, they use pentatonic scale. And sometimes even whole songs, whole melodies are built on a pentatonic scale. Michael Jackson loved it. George Ezra loves it. Christina Aguilera loves it. Mariah Carey, everybody. Like Ed Sheeran, a lot of pentatonic songs as well.
Another very popular trill is just I tried arts, just one more note. So just simple runs like that coming down. Generally, most trills are coming down as well too. They rarely go up, but yeah. So just keep it simple to start with,
and aim for notes. Don't just shake your voice.
Yeah.
Aim for specific notes. Don't poke at them.
Yeah.
What do we need to do instead of poking? Cascading.
Yes. When you're doing a trill, and this is something that was brought up during a class, when you're doing a trill, there's two, we probably need to do nearly a segment on this itself. One is when people are screaming that they have to sing in key. And two, when they're doing runs, they also have to keep them in key. Because if they're not in key, no good.
Yeah.
Because you've got to keep those runs in key. So it's very, very important. You just can't go, I'm just going to go run down here. It's not. You've got to do the right notes of the key of the song. Okay. So, and that's as well when you're screaming as well too, you've got to scream in key.
And when you build this library of different runs that you break down, or your teacher helps you break down, you will be able to combine them in your own way because your voice will be trained to do it. It's like learning elements in figure skating or in dancing. You will not just go flailing all over the stage, and say that it's contemporary dance. You need to understand what's happening to your body when you're doing it. And I'm spent.
Vox Singing Academy!
Thank you for watching. If you've found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about your voice, please post your questions in the comments below. If we pick out one of your questions to do a video segment for, you will win a free lesson with myself or one of my fantastic singing teachers. So until next time, aim high, chase your dreams, believe in yourself, and have fun singing.